Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making brown butter sweet potato pie. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of sweet potatoes, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of self-rising flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 2 deep dish pie crusts. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your butter. Continue heating your butter until it has reached a rich brown color. Turn off your heat, then set it aside until later. Place your sweet potatoes in a large bowl and mix until creamy. Now add your brown butter and eggs and continue mixing. Now add your remaining ingredients and mix until they are well incorporated. If you would like a printable version of this recipe and other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Now transfer your pie filling to your pie crust. Place your pies in the oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees and allow them to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove your pies from the oven and place them on a wire rack to cool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab.